Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting. And our topic today is how do we deal with time series with trend using regression analysis. So we can also do it using double exponential smoothing, and we have a video about that. Just check our playlist. But we can also work with regression. And it's easy. We can work with a simple linear regression using time as the independent variable. And how do we deal with this time? So let's go to our Excel file. And remember, our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So let's take here some data of oil production in the US. So let's do a small investigation on these numbers. So let's select all of these numbers. I believe it's 10 years of data. And let's insert a chart, a time series chart. Whoa, it looks like there is a trend, some very huge drop here, but maybe we have a trend. So how do we do that? We create a variable called time, and time, first month 1, and then 2, 3. So we copy and paste the formula to our 120 month. If I'm not wrong, yes, 120 month. And then we go to a regression analysis. So data analysis, regression. Let me delete this to here. Why the dependent variable and the x, the independent variable. Remember, always check labels because the first row is the label. So always check it. If you don't do that, it will show you an error message because there are cells that contains no numerical data. And then let's rename it regression. And then here, okay. Here we are, adjusted 0.75, okay. Significant at the ANOVA, but let's look at the time as our variable here. The p-value is pretty low, so it is significant. So every month, the oil production increases in 39. It was not good enough because we have a drop here. So we could add more variables, and also because the R square is 75 only. So we have room here to add more variables, but yes, there is a trend. So yes, time is a significant variable here. So time may not be the only one, and usually it is not the only one, but sometimes it is one. Sometimes we have a trend, either in uptrend, and then the coefficient will be positive, or a negative trend, the coefficient will be a negative number. And let's rename here data. It's how you have your Excel file. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Questions or comments, just let them here or email me. Have a very nice day and God bless you.